If you're tired of revoked apps, computer-only methods, or complicated signing tools, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to install IPA Files directly on your iPhone or iPad using Esign on iOS in 2026. No computer, no jailbreak, and no complicated setup. This method works on iPhone and iPad. Alright, let's dive into it. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and go to applejr.net. I recommend bookmarking this website because I update it regularly with new Esign versions and certificates. Before installing Esign, you need to install applejr DNS first. Tap applejr DNS, then tap Allow. Open Settings, hit Profile Downloaded, and install the DNS profile. This step is very important to prevent revoke and blocking issues. Once installed, go back to the website and scroll down and look for the Esign section. Choose the top Esign version from the list and tap Install. Esign will be installed automatically on your device. After the installation finishes, Esign will appear directly on your home screen, just like a normal app. If Esign doesn't open right away, you need to verify it first. Go to Settings and hit General. Then hit VPN and Device Management, then trust the Esign profile. Once the profile is trusted, you can now open Esign from your home screen. When Esign opens for the first time, you'll need to import certificate first. Now go back to applejr website and go to the certificate section. Download the certificate from the top of the list. After downloading, return to Esign, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Import. Now, find the certificate file you downloaded and import it into Esign. After importing, open the certificate folder in Esign. Locate the certificate you just added. It should have a P12 extension. Tap it, choose Import to Certificate Management, and enter the password applejr.net. Once imported successfully, Esign is now fully ready to sign and install IPA Files. Now you're ready to install any IPA file you want using Esign. Inside Esign, tap Import. You can choose an IPA file from the Files app. Now I want to install this open source IPA. Once imported, go to Tab Apps. Hit the icon of the app and hit Signature. And finally, tap Install. Wait for a few moments, and you'll see the app installed on your home screen. That's it. The IPA file has been successfully installed using Esign. So that's it. That's how you can install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad using Esign on iOS 2026 with no PC at all. Everything is done directly on your device, fast and simple. As long as you keep your certificate active and applejr DNS enabled, this method works smoothly for daily use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.